Introducing the Godwin S Series. Outsmart water with remote monitoring and control, reduced maintenance, and easier servicing. It starts with the new Godwin NC150S Dri-Prime Pump. It's setting the standard again. The Godwin NC150S Dri-Prime Pump features our unique self-cleaning Flygt N-Technology non-clog impeller. Combined with sustained hydraulic efficiency, it'll handle the kind of modern waste that shuts other pumps down. The Godwin NC150S Dri-Prime Pump features FST, Field Smart Technology. Because it's smart, you can control it from any smartphone, tablet, or computer anywhere in the world for ultimate peace of mind. Smart design and manufacturing allow the Godwin NC150S Dri-Prime Pump to increase fuel efficiency 10%, increase reliability 20%, and meet all US EPA final Tier 4 requirements. We've engineered the Godwin NC150S Dri-Prime Pump to be smart in the field, too, with a no-split compressor belt change that can be done in just 30 minutes, a 25% increase in pump shaft diameter that extends pump life, and a new sight glass that makes it easy to monitor oil level and quality. We've reduced maintenance schedules and service time by 40%, and that lowers your total cost of ownership. Don't let water stand in your way. Outsmart it with the Godwin NC150S Dri-Prime Pump.